Welcome, my dear students. Today we want to make a final revision on what we have studied in mathematics in the first term. Let's begin. Choose the correct answer. 4 over 6 equal 12 over x, then x plus 2 equal. To get the value of x, make a cross product 12 times 6 over 4, or you can notice that 4 becomes 12 by multiplying 4 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. This is x, so x plus 2 equal 18 plus 2, which is 20. The volume of a cube is 27 centimeter cube, then its edge length is. Do you remember the volume of the cube? The volume of a cube equal edge length by itself. So I want a number. If I multiply it by itself 3 times, the result will be 27. 4 or 3 or 7 or 9, of course 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 equal 27. The ratio between the side length of an equilateral triangle and its perimeter. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, so the perimeter equals 3 times L, or 3 times side length. So the ratio will be L to 3L, it means 1 to 3. The ratio between the circumference of the circle and its diameter. The circumference of the circle, as you studied before in primary 5, equal pi times d, or 2 pi r. Okay, here we want the diameter, so I'll use the first rule, which is the circumference of the circle equal pi d. So we have pi d to d, it means pi to 1. If the length on the map 3 centimeters and the real length is 9 kilometers, then the drawing scale. Drawing scale means drawing length over real length. The drawing length here is 3 centimeters. The real length is 9 kilometers. Let's convert kilometer to centimeter by multiplying 9 times 100,000. It means we have 3 to 900,000, which is 1 to 300,000. By simplifying. In rhombus, the two diagonals are, yes, perpendicular. In rhombus, the two diagonals are perpendicular. The range for the numbers 13, 7, 9, 15, and 10. The range means the maximum value minus the minimum value, or the greatest value minus the smallest value. What is the maximum value here? We have 15, and the smallest value is 7, so 15 minus 7 equal 8. 1 minus 30% equal how many percent? 1, as we said before, 1, it means 100%. So we have 100 minus 30, which is 70%. The volume of a cube of side length or edge length 10 meters. The volume of a cube means edge length by itself, so I multiply 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000. 12% of 500 kilometers is how many kilometers? To calculate the percentage of a number, just multiply 12 over 100. 12% means 12 over 100. So I'll multiply 12 over 100 times 500. The result will be 60. The following are descriptive data except age. Yes, of course, age, because age is a number. Okay. 6 hours and half a day. The ratio between 6 hours and half a day. Half a day means 24 hours divided by 2, so 12. So we have 6 to 12. Divide by 6 both terms. It means 1 to 2. 3.25 liters to centimeter cube. 1 liter equal 1000 centimeter cube, so I multiply by 1000. It means move the point to the right 3 places, 1, 2, and add 0. So this is the right answer, 3250. A student studies 21 hours each week. Then the rate of studying for these students in 1 day. 1 week means 7 days, so I'll divide 21 divided by 7 equal 3. So 3 hours per day. 1 minus 30% plus 45%. As we said, 1, it means 100%. 30% plus 45% means 75%. 100 minus 75 is 25%. 25%, it means 25 over 100. By dividing up and down by 25, the result will be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is the same as 25%. 3 kilometer to 600 meters. 3 kilometer means 3000. So 3000 meter to 600 meters. 3000 to 600. By simplifying, the result will be 5 to 1. The volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are 10, 30, and 40 centimeter is how many liters? Okay, at first I'll multiply length times width times height to get the volume. 10 times 30 times 40 equal 12,000. This is 12,000 centimeter cube. Now I want to convert it into liters, so divide by 1,000, so the result will be 12. Okay, in a quadrilateral ABCD, in this quadrilateral AB equal BC equal CD equal DA, it means the 4 sides are equal. And at the same time, the 2 diagonals are equal. So this shape is, of course, square. If the drawing length is 5 and the real length is 15, 5 centimeters here, the drawing length, and 15 meters, this is the real length. I want to calculate the scale, the drawing scale. Drawing scale equal drawing length over real length, but they should have the same units. So I'll multiply 15 times 100 equal 1,500 to convert it into centimeters. Now we have 5 over 1,500. By dividing both terms by 5, the result will be 1 to 300. A car covers 360 kilometers in 4 hours. Then the rate of its speed is, or the speed of the car is, yes, just divide 360 divided by 4 equal 90 kilometers per hour. All the following data are quantitative except quantitative, yes, except name. If the center of a set is 15 and its lower limit is 10, then its upper limit is, the center means upper limit plus lower limit over 2. Okay, so just multiply 15 by 2, then subtract 10. Okay, so 15 times 2, 30, minus 10, 20. Okay, so the set is from 10 to 20. The center of this set means 20 plus 10 over 2. 30 over 2 is 50. If the number of sets is 15 and the length of each set is 4, then the range, here we have the number of sets and the length of each set. The number of sets and the length of each set. I want to know the range. The range equal the number of sets times, yes, the length of each set, which is 60. 15 times 4 equals 60. Because the number of sets means the range over the length of each set. Okay. The equality of 2 or more ratios is proportion. Okay, which of them is which of them has no units? Rate or volume or capacity or ratio? Of course, ratio. Yes. Okay. That's all about our session today. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck for you and goodbye.